Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I am bringing you my fall coffee bar. Yeah, fall coffee bar. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. And this here, I don't remember where it came from, but it's a candle. I'm not sure. Okay, we had these cups here from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and I made this here. This is a DIY. Sorry it's not fitting inside the cup, but hey, it's serving the purpose. Okay, these right here, flowers from the thrift store, from, I believe, I'm not sure, y'all. I don't remember. Okay, but yeah. In this vase, I believe this came from Ross. Okay. And this right here, runner, came from the Dollar Tree. This blessed sign, I believe I got that at Ross. These here cupcakes I made. Okay. I made these cupcakes. I made these last year, and I just brought them on up into this year. Just changed out the covers. Alright. These here, I got this from Home Goods. Okay, this was a set. These pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. This here, blessed and thankful from the Dollar Tree as well. Those orange pumpkin cups back there came from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted some blue this year to match this here cup. I thought they were so cute. Christmas card. so much for watching. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video.